Sikamla ngingudemon kuDumsani ngokwasithole ngibona as I'm driving down ngihlangana ne stop and go endleleni uyabona balungisa indlela bangivulela ukuthi mina kufanele ngikhambe inkolo eziza ngale zona bazijamisile uyabona kumatasatasa kubhizi endleleni lento le ingenza ngicabange enye into empilweni stop and go esingenza ngicabanga ukuthi sometimes in life kunezimo ezikwenza ukuthi ujame endleleni zikwenza ukuthi kufanele awustop ngoba uthanda awustop because izimo siyakujamisa but what you need to understand ukuthi ama challenges and pain ohlangabezana nayo when you have to stop it doesn't basically mean you must give up your dream, it doesn't mean you must give up soldiering on, it doesn't mean you must give up the faith that you have, it just means kwaleso sikhathi impilo ayikuvumeli ukuthi uthole izinto ofuna ukuzithola not because angeke wazithola. That is why sithi delay is not a denial. Ujama leso sikhathi you awujami permanently. Need to understand ukuthi mina nangikhambako lapho ku stop and go ezinye inkolo bezijamile azikakajami ngoba ngeze zavunyelwa ukuthi zikhambe zijame because kwaleso sikhathi kusadlula mina zakatelela ngekani ukudlula ngisadlula sokuhlangana endleleni kugcine sichayisana. So in life kufuneka wazi bona impilo nayikujamisa kancane impilo na uthi apply ungathola umsebenzi na uthi uyaqala ungathola umlingani ungathola abantwana na uthi uyaqala business yakho inganikeza profit that doesn't mean angeke waphumelele. It just basically means kwaleso sikhathi uku stop and go wena ujamile abanye babone badlula omunye umuntu athola ibusiness aphumelele ukudlula wena omunye umuntu athola umlingani abachate omunye umuntu ajikijikisa nomntwana ajikijiki uthola ipromotion emberegweni wena unambereko. It doesn't mean angeke waphumelela kwaleso sikhathi uku stop and go wena usajamile bona usaphumelela kuzofika isikhathi ukuthi nawe kufanele ukhambe khona. You need to understand ukuthi ipain ne struggle is seasonal. Empilweni we 4 seasons in a year, so basically means unyaka munye unama season amanye summer autumn winter spring. So ngenzeka ukuthi mhlambe ukusama izulu liyana bathe uyathiba ngapha uyanethelwa. It doesn't mean izulu lokuhlala lina ngeke wahlala unethelwa njalo. It's seasonal. Izulu is seasonal kwaleso sikhathi kwaleso sikhathi izulu uzokuna. It doesn't mean angeke kusaba amakhaza angeke wathi izulu nako bese uzitshela ukuthi no ngamanye amagama uvale tu umzakho uvale ungasaba namafestere ngoba kufika isikhathi la kuchisa khona ilanga uyokudinga bona ngene umoya. Nepilo injalo mbukeli ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi mhlambe kunento oqalene nayo mhlambe into ngasimnandi into engakujabulisiko mhlambe la ukhona ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi it's only seasonal uku stop and go. Impilo izimo uzokunikeza zakho imbuziso they will come but akafanele ujame uphuthe imkhono. You need to know ukuthi you must stay ready for your opportunities. You need to update your CV, you need to have your business plan. Ufuna ube nehlelo, have a plan in place. Nanoma izinto zingakukhambeli but do something wherever you are with what you have. Ungalili uthi mina ngijamile angazokhamba hey na ku stop and go. Inkolo ezijamile kweza zikakaqimi abantu abakakhipha inkhi abajama ngaphandle inkolo ize idle balinde their opportunity ukuthi bavulelwe indlela bakazokhamba. Nawe in life wait for your opportunity, wait for your time. Your time is coming, but ilinde uidle, ilinde while you are ready for your opportunity, because opportunity fika njengesela, it doesn't knock, it doesn't set an appointment. Ifika ungakalindeli. Will you be ready when your opportunity is there presenting itself emnyangweni wako? Are you gonna wait for the opportunity or are you gonna go out there and create your opportunity, create your moment, create your time, create isikhathi sokubana uthole lakho ithuba? Ngingudemon uDumsani ngokwasithole ngithi mhlambe ukustop but your goal it's coming. Be ready. Zumikos. Peace.